Hello everyone, my name is Emma Alam. I am the World Memory Champion, World Speed Reading Champion, and holder of 2 Guinness World Records. Now, we all take a ton of notes on a daily basis, whether that is noting down important information from our books or during a business meeting. Being able to take notes effectively and then being able to remember them is an important aspect in any field. Now, what usually happens is that you end up with a stack of papers full of reams and reams of linear notes that you don't even remember anymore. And I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be that way. There is another, more easy, more engaging, and memorable way to take notes, which is mind mapping. I have competed in numerous mind mapping championships, including Beijing, China, France, and even UK. And I am the Junior World Mind Mapping Champion, as well as a silver medalist from the World Mind Mapping Championship. Now, mind mapping has endless benefits, including better retention. You'll have fewer pages to review at the end of your semester before your exams, and it is more captivating and memorable for your brain. Now, I have an entire video talking about how mind mapping allows you to become more efficient as a student and in your professional life, and I'll link that in the description box below. Start with a central image, which in this case is economics. Now take out a branch for your chapter name, which is demand. Mind maps work on the basis of keywords and images, so let's select our keywords from this sentence and then put them on our mind map. Demand is the willingness or ability to buy a product. When the price decreases, the demand for the product increases as more people can now afford it. And when the price increases, fewer people are willing and able to afford it, so they switch to a rival product. Now compare the two types of notes, and you'll see that your brain is more likely to remember the mind map rather than the plain black and white text. Now this was just a very small example of how you can use mind maps to take notes. Here's an example of a full mind map that summarizes all of the pages that you can see on the left on a single page. Think of how much easier that makes your reviews. This was just the tip of the iceberg. I took the mind mapping course from my awesome coach, Sania Alam, and I can honestly say that that was the only reason I was able to effortlessly ace all of my exams in no time. My coach has the most comprehensive and effective online mind mapping course in the market, and that will allow you to learn the art of mind mapping in just 30+ hours from the comfort of your home. Trust me, it is a worthwhile investment that you will thank yourself for. I will link that in the description box below, so definitely check that out. That was all for today. I will see you all in my next video, and until then, be happy and be joyful.